What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto called Bonk, which has not just in the last 24 hours, but as you guys can see, over the last 2 to 3 weeks it has gained an insane amount of value. So we're going to be looking at how high is it going to go, is it going to crash back down in value, is it worth buying it right now, should you sell it if you're on a profit, or should you hold on to it over the next couple of days, weeks, and also going into 2024. How high can this crypto go? As you guys can see, over the last 24 hours itself, it has gone up a massive 62%. Let's have a look at the over the week, 140%, and over the month a massive 2500%, guys, which is absolutely crazy. But I've seen a lot of positive as well as negative comments around the crypto, saying is it a scam, is it legit, so on. So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Bonk, which is here in purple, but it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning more gains in value are expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting the crypto to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Nothing too crazy, potentially heading up to about 0. however many zeros here, 55. So this price range here, somewhere around that target, is where I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at over the next 12 to 14 hours. But as usual, do expect red candles in between as well as green candles, but at this point the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So zooming into the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see? The blue and the orange line are still slightly looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning once again an overall increase in value is what is expected, but they are not looking too steep, meaning the increase in value is not going to be a major pump or a major bull or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal increase in value. And yes, guys, do expect red days in between as well, where it's likely to take a little bit of a dip, a step back in value before it slowly starts to gain value towards mid to end of the week. So what I'm saying is, do expect the coming days to be a little bit of a hit, red days followed by green days by mid to end of the week, making it go up in value. But again, nothing too crazy, nothing too major is expected from Bonk at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now, we are looking very bullish, very positive, as you guys can see, the blue and the orange line. However, the only bad point is that they are looking way too steep, guys, meaning this is not realistic. But the only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's been taking place over the last couple of weeks. The graph thinks that it's going to keep pumping in that direction at that pace and so on. However, that is not the case. In fact, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so late December, early January 2024, I'm expecting Bonk to have dropped back down quite heavily, down to below this price range here is what I'm expecting, because right now it is way overvalued and it is likely to drop back down in value quite heavily over the coming weeks. Yes, I know right now it's pumping, it's performing very well and so on, it's all, happy days. Right now it's gone up over 2000% or even 2600% up in the last 3 to 4 weeks. However, when a crypto does that, it's not a sustainable project, one, and number two is, yeah, most likely it's going to crash back down. So for those of you asking, am I investing into the crypto, that will probably answer your questions. No, I am not. Only reason is I'm a long-term trader and I don't believe in the crypto in the long term, because even in the short term, yes, of course it can make you that quick money until it crashes, and that's the risk of doing short-term trading. But over the long term, I'm not expecting it to keep pumping in the way that it's been pumping over the last 3 to 4 weeks. In fact, I'm, as I mentioned, expecting it to drop back down and even crash back down in value to where it was trading about 2 to 3 months ago. So yeah, at a way lower value than where it is at the moment. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So this should explain it a little bit more, guys. When was this? On the 9th of November, which was 11 days ago, we were trading in the red zone, and in the space of about 10 days we have literally broken out every single resistance target and headed out to the top tier level here. So again, 10 days is way too short for crypto to go from the red zone all the way up here to the top tier level, meaning over the coming weeks it is going to go back down into the red zone, is what I'm trying to tell you guys. So that is another reason why I'm not investing into it. But for those of you guys who are on a profit right now, I would probably sell more than half of what I've got. So if I had £1,000 or dollars invested into Bonk right now, I would probably sell about a good $700 to $800 worth, meaning most of my portfolio in Bonk I would sell and take out my profit and still leave about 20% in there, just in case it pops off, in 2024, 2025. If it does do well, then I can take a little bit more, but I would probably take out majority of my investment in Bonk right now if I was on a profit. But again, that's not me telling you take out your profits or do whatever. Is entirely up to you guys if you guys want to take out your profit or hold on to it for the long term. But I'm just giving you guys what I would personally do. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Bonk, guys. We can see here the trading volume has also gone up over 140% in the last 24 hours, making it $120 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading over the last 24 hours, as we have seen a lot of people trading the crypto. It is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours as well, meaning it's getting a lot of attention from both buyers and sellers point of view. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below your prediction on Bonk, guys. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in the next, well, 2023 and 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.